Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Tania Martinez, and today we're going to be talking about some spending habits you guys may have during these holidays and how to overcome them a bit. But first, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My goal is to reach 20,000 subscribers this year, so I'd really love if you join my tribe. So today is actually November 25th, 2020. And I had previously made this video, but due to technical difficulties with just timing and sound, I decided to remake it. So if you saw it on the live, thank you for sticking out those technical difficulties with me. So let's get started. During this holiday season, it's super easy for us to go out on a spending tangent. Stores, this is like their season. They decorate everything, they make everything look pretty, and it's super easy to go out and spend a few hundred on like things you didn't even really need with money you didn't have. So my first real tip is to not use credit cards unless you've got the money to pay for the things. And I realize some of you guys say like, oh, I'll have the money in January. Y'all, this can set you guys back so much just by doing this little thing, because yes, you might have the money in January, but what about February? And then that creates a cycle to where you feel like that you can never catch up. So that's why it's super important to make sure that you're only spending the money that you do have. And I understand it's so easy to take out the credit card and it's so easy to spend a whole bunch of money, but unless you've got the money for it, I would say to not even buy it. Or I mean, just think about it really carefully before you buy that. Maybe you can search for something else that may not be a brand name but still has the same usefulness, and it might be like half the cost. So check out different alternatives. Make sure that you're looking through everything before you decide to make that purchase. So this next tip is a reminder to me as well as you guys that you don't owe anyone a gift. I mean, there's been times in all of our lives that we go out, we think about a present, and we think about like the person we want to give it to, and we spend a whole bunch of time, focusing our energy on getting the perfect present. And then that sometimes that person doesn't appreciate us back the way we appreciate them. Or sometimes like there's people in our lives that we feel like we need to give them a gift even though they've done the opposite of appreciate us and haven't been a real kind person to us, but we feel the need. Now, this is not to say you don't give in your family or like the people that raised you gifts. You still do that. Just draw the line between how much time, how much effort you go into working on a gift, because gifts are a lot of money, and sometimes you spend a lot of time like going to the store, figuring it all out. So you want to make sure the people that you are gifting a gift to like actually appreciate you back. So this is just a gentle reminder that you don't owe anyone a gift, but also in turn that means no one owes you a gift. The third tip is to make a plan and save. Make sure you make some time to make a plan and just make sure that you know what you're giving that person. Like I said, it's so easy to go into a store and get distracted and buy everything in the world. But when you've got a plan and you know where your money is going, you know that you don't need to be looking at distractions. You know what you came for and you're just going to go get that. So that's why it's so important to just have a plan. And I mean, make sure that you guys don't get sidetracked. I mean, it's so easy to get sidetracked during these holidays, and just make sure that you try to follow the plan to the best of your ability. I understand things come up, you've got an unexpected present that you need to buy, different things like that, but overall that shouldn't break the bank. And I know for everyone this has been kind of a tough year, and so for some of you guys it has put you guys in a financial situation that you didn't want to be, and you think that your last resort is to use credit cards to buy gifts and stuff. But just know that you have the ability to control what you spend on and how you react to all that spending, and what you do. So make sure you guys are prepared and understand how to spend that money in the best way possible that works for you guys, and that you guys are able to spend a little bit this holiday season. So as I was editing this, I realized there was one thing I did want to mention, in that in the past, when me and my husband were trying to save up to buy homes, to be able to invest in properties, we would let our family members know that, hey, we're trying to save up, for our future and trying to invest. So presents might look a little bit smaller this year. And, they totally understood. They understood that we were trying to grow our business and trying to change our family tree. So, and, they were really positive about that. And in the case that someone isn't positive about that and does ask you, because most people won't even ask. If you put some thought into the gift, they usually won't even ask. But if they do ask you, just let them know that you're trying to achieve some financial goals and that this was what you could do this year. Okay, so back to the video. And my last tip, if you guys want to learn about money, is to, find people, find books that are teaching you guys about money. It's not hard. I mean, look at this YouTube video, for instance. It already shows that you guys are wanting to learn more. So set that resolution. Go out and find people that are doing well with money and ask them how. A lot of people are really kind and are very helpful and will tell you exactly how they got to the position to where they're at. So don't be afraid to ask. Just reach out to people and start reading books. Go to your library, check out a few books. Start learning about money, because the more you learn about money, the more you can control it. And the last thing that I wanted to leave you guys with is that I heard on a podcast the other day that a lot of people will make goals. A lot of people will make goals and follow through with it for a bit, but just realize that every day that you're taking decisions to where you are going to be 3 to 5 years from now. So make sure that the little decisions that you're making every day lead up to the person that you want to be. And don't just let life happen. Be in control. Let the universe know what you want. And I'm a big proponent that it'll happen. Okay guys, so if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps people find me. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, my goal is to reach 20,000 subscribers by the end of next year. And I would really love if you guys help me out with that. And I'll be posting more great content weekly, so make sure to follow along. I'll see you guys later. Bye!